Hello everybody, good morning, good evening, or good day wherever you're at. I pray that all of you are doing well. I would like to connect with you once again in one verse in John 3:16. I know most of us know this verse. John 3:16 that says in English, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have an everlasting life." And I grew up with this verse in Sunday school and even at home. And I would love also to say it in Ilocano, because Ilocano is my first mother dialect. It says in Kunana Ijay Libro ti Juan, Kapitulo 3, versikulo 16, takas talaunay ti panagayat ti Diyos dito'y lubong. Ngayon nati anak na bugbugtong, tapno iso amin na mamati ken kuana, saan nga mapukaw no diket, at dabiyag na nga agnanayon. And I'm thinking about, of when Jesus Christ is on the cross, and I'm visualizing all the tortures that he went through. Probably his body became, became violet in color, or it has bruises, lots of bruises. And I think about this bloom that we have in our garden right now. Actually this year, this is my first time, or our first time, to have lots of violets flower, and this is so captivating to the eyes. They're beautiful. And we have also small clusters here. They came in clusters, and I could also spy one violet there. I've been reading about violet. What does it mean about violet color? This one tiny one has yellow combination on its petals, and I've been reading about violet color. What does it means in our life? And the word violet comes from Latin word, if I'm not mistaken, that means viola, and it signifies humility, modesty, and love. Ti daytoy gayam kolor nga violet, kakabsat ket iparangarang na iti kinapakumbaba, kinaemma, ken dejay ngay panunot nga napnuan ti ayat na. So it's interesting to know the meaning of the color violet as we apply it in our everyday lives, that though pains, problems, heartaches, and turmoils may come, because they're a part of everyday lives while we are journeying with life on this earth, that no matter what, we could see the color violet, we need to be inspired, looking at it through our naked eye, that it means to us humility, modesty, and a thought full of love. And should have life to be defined, that every time we define life, it's supposed to be a life full of humbleness, a life full of modesty, and a life and a thoughts full of love. Kasta ko makakabsat kas agbibiyag tayo dito'y lubong, nga iti ko makaipapanan itibiyag, ket itibiyag nga napakumbaba, itibiyag nga naimma, ken itibiyag nga napnuan iti panunot, iti nga gapo panunot, gapo iti ayat. Thank you everyone. See you again on our next vlog. And God bless you. Ni Apo Diyos ko maiti mangted ti amin nga kasapulan nyo. God bless. Bye for now. Thank you.